Now we have this sidebar working, okay, and we want to add one mobile menu. So for mobile, it will be shown. So I will add one more links. So it will be shown by default, and it will be hidden for medium devices. Okay, so now we can see this, and basically rather than sidebar, I will call it as a mobile, and here I have to add one more variable. So comma mobile. So by default it will be false, and this sidebar by default will be true. Then here we have mobile, and here we have that one. Okay, so sidebar, here I will add one more mobile menu here, and by default it will be fixed, and lock, and in MD it will be hidden. Okay, rather than sidebar I will call it as a mobile menu. Okay, let's check this one. I will refresh this. So by default sidebar is shown. I can toggle this sidebar, and if I go, so sidebar is hidden and sidebar icon is also hidden for mobile. So this mobile menu is shown. Okay, and it's getting toggled, but for mobile menu we will have this fixed, and height will be screen, and width will be full. I will add bg white so we can see what exactly is happening. So mobile menu, and to close this I have to add one link to close this one. So I will add a close, and then here I will add this X on click, mobile. So let's see. Now we have this close icon here. So close word we have written, so we will add this close. So X mark, I will copy this one and I will paste it here, and I will properly indent this one. Okay, and I will give class float right, and let's see. So this will toggle sidebar, and if we go for mobile menu, so it will have this mobile, and I can close that. I will give some more class like padding, so p4 cursor pointer. So this one is getting closed, so there is no issue. So we have mobile menu, we have this sidebar, but one thing, basically we are using two divs. Okay, and if you want to make changes to links and all these things, we'll have to make changes to both of them. So for that reason we will use single livewire component. So php artisan make livewire, so it will be the sidebar, and then basically we'll include that sidebar. So @livewire, and here will be a sidebar, and For sidebar also we will have this sidebar. Okay, now I will go to this livewire sidebar here, and I will write now links. Okay, this will be shown at both. So you can see sidebar we have nav links, and if I go for mobile menu, so we have nav links here. So we have to change at only one place in this livewire component and it will work. So in next video we'll do one thing. For this nav links we will add all the nav links, and it will be basically a two level menu. So we will have the sections and links into that section. So likewise we will create that navigation menu, so it will look proper, and it will basically include all these navigation links needed for our CRM application. So we'll do that in next video.